G'day everyone, back again. So what I'm about to start now is the strip down of the bodywork off this bike. That's it, just the bodywork off, auto ignition. So once that arrives, I'll be able to fix all the wiring, get that right. And then I'll start on the body prep and order another parts I want to change. As I said before, levers, bones, rubbish. I'm going to replace the fluid bowl, indicators, things like that. Anyway, let's start taking it apart. Just in wrong items have been used on all of these. So I just want to order a proper bolt kit. Go from there. What these things are. Look at it. It's a bolt from bloody Bunnings. I don't know what rubbish.
So it's ridiculous. Like, yeah.
I don't know what they are, but I was saved at the table, bags and labelled and that's new, they're not going to be reused. So just go from there. Okay, there it is, body stripped off it. Not much more to do now. We'll take off this rear so we can have a bit of a play around. Got to work out what I want to do with those pegs and things. I want to change them, but all in all, it's not all that bad. A couple more things coming off, but so that'll just be a good tidy up, clean, give it a wash, tidy it up, polish up the frame, get that back to normal. You see tank there, rear tail piece, that's the best bit of it all. I think the tank's fine, front guard's fine. As I said, the way he bolted it together was crap. He's done some repairs. Some things are alright, like, well, he plastic welded, but the way he did it, it's just, you know, just smashed up the mounts. So I'll need to work on that a little bit. Do a bit of fiberglass and so yeah. See, taking that lowering weight off. This is really simple process for these. Put that in there. What you want to do is once undo this. I mean that's it. It's a bolt lock in. It's mad about buying the other weights the same weight. So these are 90 grams each. So yeah, I'm just going to buy better ones that are, you know, match the gold colour of the bike. Something like that. Yeah. So anyway, on to the next thing. Okay everyone, as I was saying, that's where we're at. Strip down to where I need to be. Clean it up. Once the ignition comes I've ordered. I'll be able to fix that up, and that'll will tidy up some terrible wiring that he's done. And I think because of the indicators, and he's put on these LEDs, it looks like rubbish. This will be bolted back up. Under here, it's an absolute mess of wiring. So yeah, fixing all the wiring up. Yeah, parts in the tub that's there. So here are the rest of the parts that I have to work on to get fixed up. Remove that rear guard. I think it's just a cheap carbon fibre copy. It's plastic from China or something like that. It's just going to get painted. And the next stage, right. So if I come over here, I know it's looking like nothing, but what I'm going to do is mark up the top here, red pen, strip pipe, it's done. So that'll be done, and that prep stuff. You see there's a green tick here. I've decided, green tick means ordered, because all this stuff's got to be ordered. And then when it's done, get the old red lines through it. So yeah, there we have it. I will see you on the next one. See where we get up to at that stage. All right, catch you later.